Hey everybody, how you doing? Mikey's back with something different. Why? Because I want to. That's why. Yeah, it's my channel. If I want to do something different, I'll do it. You can't make me. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, I've been trying to find this Busch Light Apple for like the last 5 years. Now, whenever I realize that A, it's back out, and B, it's hitting the stores, I'm always too late. I stopped by. You got Busch Light Apple? Busch Light Apple? Nope, we're sold out, sold out, sold out. Disappeared quick. Dang it. This year I got lucky. Finally, I secured a can. Well, I secured a six pack. I was in 7-Eleven of all places. After work, went in there, got my obligatory big gulp and taquito. Yes, I love their taquitos. I just happened to glance over towards the beer cooler and I saw a red can with a Busch name on it. And I'm like, that can't be. That can't be. Walk over there, clouds parted, angels started to sing, and there was one lone six pack of Busch Light Apple on the shelf. I over exaggerate. I'm probably setting myself up for severe disappointment because it's Busch Light. Yeah, it's Busch Light. So, anyway, I figured I'd do my first taste on camera. Since I've been waiting so freaking long to try this, it's only 10 a.m. here. It's my day off, though. You can't call it day drinking if you don't start in the morning, okay? It actually has an apple scent to it. Huh. For someone that says Busch Light Apple, it actually has an apple scent. Light apple scent, but it does have an apple scent to it. Not bad. Like I said, somewhat disappointing. Drink's real easy. It has an apple flavor, but it's a weak apple flavor. Think watered down fizzy apple juice with an alcohol content. And you have Busch Light Apple. So now that I've tried one after years of searching, would I buy it again? I might. I wish it had more apple. It does have a nice apple flavor on the finish, but it needs a little stronger apple flavor while I'm actually drinking it. All in all, not too bad. This goes down very easily. I can easily see someone downing 2, 3, 4 of these without much trouble. It kind of drinks. It drinks like apple juice. Like I said, it's a weak apple juice. Fizzy apple juice, weak flavor. But it does have just enough apple flavor to keep it interesting. All in all, it's not bad. Could it be better? Absolutely. Could it be worse? Absolutely. But for what it is, Busch Light, regular Busch Light, basically it's fizzy water with a slight beer flavor. This is fizzy water with a slight apple flavor. So if you like apples, this is nice, cold, crisp, refreshing. Yep. Just needs more apple. A little stronger apple flavor. It'd be awesome. But it's on the weak side. But it does have apple flavor. Just weak apple flavor. Am I disappointed? A little bit. Am I surprised that I'm disappointed? Not at all. Why? Because it's Busch Light. Anyway, what's the alcohol content on this thing anyway? Light lager with natural flavor. Where's the alcohol content? It is 4%. 4% alcohol. So basically, a light, very sessionable beer. This would actually be pretty darn good on a hot summer day. Pull out a nice cold one of these, gives you just enough apple flavor to let you know you're drinking something apple flavored. Goes down way too easy. I can see myself drinking a couple of these. I am an alcohol lightweight. Um, yeah, that bottle of bourbon back there, I've had that for 3 years, and it's about a third empty. So in 3 years, I've drank about a third of that bottle. This stuff goes down pretty easy, crisp and refreshing. Easily see myself getting in trouble with these. Anyway, this has just been a quick review of Busch Light Apple. Why? Because I finally found a 6-pack after years of searching. And now that I finally found one, they're probably going to start showing up everywhere. Yeah, that's just the way it is. But in the past, places get it in, boom, gone, boom, gone. And I always show up either a day or in a couple of instances, hours too late. Anyway, the search has ended. My curiosity is now satisfied, and I'm going to continue to drink this one. Like I said, it just needs a little more apple flavor. Just a little more apple flavor, and it would actually be a pretty awesome beer. Anyway, I'll come at you all again with a review of something. Till then, I'll catch you all later. Busch Light Apple, not bad, not great, not bad. Catch you later. Bye.